If your PC is not connecting to the internet or internet is not connecting on Windows 11, then this video will help you. What you have to do is on Windows 11 settings, then click here and then click here, Get Help. This will open the Get Help app. Now expand this Restart Wi-Fi Adapter tab and then click Restart Adapter. Windows 11 then runs some automated tests on your system and you will be connected to the internet within seconds. If you cannot find the Get Help option, then you can run network and internet troubleshooter manually. Click here and then click Settings, click System, scroll down and then click Troubleshoot. Now click Other Troubleshooters. Now from here you can run this network and internet troubleshooter. This is an automated tool that will run some automated tests on your system and resolve the internet connectivity issues. If this does not work, then try another fix. Right click on Windows search bar, then select Device Manager. Now expand the network adapters branch and right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Disable Device. Click Yes. Wait for a few seconds, then again right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Enable Device. Now wait for a few seconds. You can see Windows is searching for available Wi-Fi network. It will connect to the network automatically after some time. Yes. So you are connected to the internet. If this does not work, then what can you do? Open Windows 11 settings, then go to Network and Internet, select Advanced Network Settings, and then you have to click here that says Network Reset, and then click here Reset Now. This will reset your Wi-Fi adapters and restart your PC after that. So before you perform this action, please save your unsaved work. Your system will be restarted after 5 minutes automatically. Hopefully this should resolve your network issues. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.